History of Indian arts. The natural human instinct want to share experience, wisdom and emotion resulting in the beautiful creation is called an art. Types of art: visual art and performing art. Visual art are of two types: art of painting 2-dimensional and art of sculpting 3-dimensional. Tradition of art: folk art and classical art. Art of painting are 2-dimensional, examples sketches or painting of the nature, object and individual. Varli painting and Pingul or Chitrakriti in Maharashtra are the finest of the folk style of the painting. Alekyam or Alekya Vidya are the name by which the art of classical style of painting are mentioned. 64 art are mentioned in the classical style: miniature painting, Persian style, Deccan style and Mughal style. Western style painting. James Wales, a Scottish artist, made the portrait of Savai Madhavrao and Nana Fadnavis. Indian artists were influenced by the European style of painting during the British period. Drawing of Gararam Tambe are preserved in Yale Center of British Art of Yale University. Art of sculpting. They are 3-dimensional, example image, statue, pot and object with artistic embellishment. Temple of Kailasa at Verul is carved out of a single rock monolithic sculpture. Ashoka pillar during Maurya period. Sanchi Stupa erected in the Emperor Ashoka time. The stupa at Borobudur is declared as World Heritage Site in 1991. Mathura School of Art laid the foundation of India iconography. Temple architecture began to develop around 4th century CE. Temple in Maharashtra built in 12th to 13th century are known as Hemadpatti temples. Example, the Ambareshwar temple at Ambarnath near Mumbai and Ondha Nagnath temple in Hingoli district. Style of temple architecture are Nagara style north and Dravida style south. Nagara style north and Dravida style south. The blend of the Nagara style north and Dravida style south is known as the Vesara style. Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal and Gol Gumbaz are the example of Islamic architecture of India. Islamic architecture of India. Qutub Minar is the highest minaret in the world. The construction of Qutub Minar at Mehrauli started during the reign of Qutubuddin Aibak in 12th century and was completed in 13th century in the reign of Iltutmish. Taj Mahal, declared as World Heritage by UNESCO, was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, Karnataka was built in 17th century. New style of architecture arose in India during the British period known as Indo-Gothic architectural style. Example, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Railway Terminus. The 9 mood rasas supposed to be fundamental in performing theatre. The tradition of performing folk art include folk song, folk instrumental music, folk dance and folk theatre.